This is the only video you need to check to know how to set up your Hermes agent with new model DeepSeek V4 Flash or Pro absolutely for free. I was trying to read some tweets lately and I found that a lot of people are using this open rota compression. But as far as I know, it's quite difficult because if you go to open rota, it's not free. But if you will check this tweet, for example, the guy spent around 1 cent for 2 million tokens, and he actually paid just this simple, stupid amount of money for that. I also tried to do my research on that, and I'm gonna show you now how it looks like. So I asked directly my Hermes agent, can you explain how much money I've saved while was using the GLM model subscription for coding instead of Opus or instead of DeepSeek V4 via API? Let's try to ask it. My subscription actually it's quite cool. If you'll go to GLM coding plan, you're gonna get this $8 a month if you pay quarterly. But if you pay for the whole year, it's gonna be $7 a month. So it's quite cheap, and it's 3 times more higher than Cloud Pro usage limit. So I'm quite satisfied with that because all my agents are running on this GLM model, and it's comparable with Opus 4.6. So let's try to check the usage and token consummation, and let's see what our Hermes agent gonna say about its own consummation process. So it's almost done. Here's the math based on the actual usage data from Hermes. So I for 48 days I used about 200 million tokens. All right, no, 268. Yeah, output is like that. API calls, and it's cost about 10 euros a month, or $10 a month. The same usage with Cloud Opus would be around 4,300 US dollars, and through DeepSeek it's going to be around 40. So I believe it's quite cheap, but we're gonna go cheaper today with this video, with this instruction. I even made my own ZAI token monitor to analyze and forecast when my 5-hour coding window would be refreshing. So the usage for the last, let's say, 30 days was 1.5 billion tokens. It's insane. It's just for 30 days. So by the way, if you want to if you want to know how to save money with that, just go to my school community. It's called AI Pays My Bills, and you're gonna know how to save money. It's already 65 members there, but it's free, so why not to jump in. And one more issue which I faced with when I was trying to search this information, how to go free with Anthropic, not just Anthropic, with a DeepSeek model in the Hermes agent, I found that this guy, I don't know his name, but he's also saying that you have to go to Ollama and run Ollama with specific commands. So for example, if I want to go to the DeepSeek and go with Flash, for example, I need to run Hermes agent with Ollama and run it with the Cloud, with the Cloud model. Cloud model. All right. But there is a catch. If you go to pricing and if you go to this free tier, which I'm on, first you have a limit, and the second, you cannot use DeepSeek as a cloud model. Just let's try to run it. So if I'll just paste my comment here with DeepSeek V4 Flash, it's gonna say something like let me resize the window fast so you're gonna see it. So the gateway is starting, but unfortunately this Hermes setup would say that DeepSeek is only available on the Pro plan. So let's set it up without any more waiting for the right solution. So to set up correctly your Hermes agent, you have to go to the Hermes website, and inside this Hermes agent, Nose Research, or how it's called, News Research, Norse, all right? You can go to the Nose portal, and here you have to wait for a second to let them approve it. So I'll go to Google. And now what we need to do, we just need to go to free plan here, So we don't need to pay anything. All paid tiers include monthly credits, all right? So I think it was made to just help people to work with the DeepSeek model. You'll receive 10 monthly credits, all right. So I click on subscription with a free tier. And we are done. So we are on the current plan, which is free. We're gonna pay nothing for that. We're gonna get some kind of credits here, and we're gonna have some other usage. So now, before that, it wasn't possible. We can now make the API key. So let's try to how to top up. Where was it? Create a key. Okay. You're out of funds. Okay, thank you. So we need to add some funds here. Quick amounts. I'll make it, I don't know. Only 10 euros. 10 bucks are available. Okay, let's say 10. Maybe I'll do it like that. And after you add some credits, we're gonna see that the model right now is a DeepSeek v4 Flash.